California is the heartland of strawberries in the United States. About 90% of all strawberries grown in the country come from this sunny state. That's a lot of berries. The reason is simple. California's climate is just right. Mild winters, warm days, and cool nights. These conditions let strawberries grow almost year-round, giving farmers more time to harvest. Location matters too. Most strawberry farms are near the Pacific coast. The ocean breeze keeps temperatures steady. This helps strawberries ripen slowly, building more sugar and flavor. Rich soils in the valleys add even more to the taste and nutrition. It's a natural recipe for delicious fruit. Strawberries are more than a crop here, they're a way of life. The fields stretch for miles, and thousands of people work to grow, pick, and ship these berries. Local festivals celebrate the harvest, and families make a living from the land. Every strawberry begins its journey in this unique place. California strawberries are famous around the world, but behind every sweet bite is a lot of science, planning, and, most of all, hard work. Let's follow their journey from field to factory and see how it all comes together. It all starts with choosing the right plants. Farmers don't just scatter seeds. Instead, they choose healthy mother plants. These are the superstars of the strawberry world. Researchers and breeders look for plants that make big, juicy, flavorful fruit and show strong disease resistance. Only the best make the cut. Each mother plant is grown under careful watch. They must be free from bugs and sickness. Experts check them for any sign of trouble. If a plant passes all the tests, it's used to create new plants, not by seeds, but through a process called propagation. Propagation means taking runners, long stems that grow from the mother plant and touch the soil. These runners make baby plants, called daughter plants. Workers gently cut these new plants and move them to nurseries. This way, every baby plant is a genetic twin of the mother. By starting with healthy mothers and careful cloning, California strawberry farmers make sure every plant in the field has the best chance to grow sweet, strong fruit. It's the first step in a long, careful journey. Before the baby plants hit the big fields, they need time to grow strong roots in nurseries. In these special plots, the young strawberries are cared for like royalty. They get perfect amounts of water, food, and sunlight. Workers check on them every day, looking for the best growth and any signs of trouble. While the plants grow, farmers prepare the main fields. First, they break up the soil with deep plowing. This lets air and water move easily underground, essential for healthy roots. Next comes fertilizing. Farmers test the soil and add nutrients like nitrogen, potassium, and compost. This helps future strawberries grow big and sweet. Modern techniques make a big difference here. Most fields are covered with black or white plastic mulch. This keeps weeds out, holds in moisture, and warms the soil. It also keeps the berries off the dirt, making them cleaner and less likely to rot. With the beds ready and the plants strong, the stage is set. California strawberry fields are now prepared for planting, and everything is in place for the next chapter of the journey. Strawberries are thirsty plants, but water is precious in California. That's why most farmers use drip irrigation, a method that sends water straight to the roots. Pipes and thin tubes run along each row, delivering just enough moisture directly to the soil. This system is smart and efficient. It uses less water than sprinklers and keeps the leaves dry, which helps prevent disease. Sensors and timers make sure the plants get the exact amount they need, no more, no less. This saves not only water but also energy and money. Drip irrigation also helps with fertilizing. Special nutrients can be added to the water and sent right to the roots. This means less waste and healthier plants. Farmers can adjust the system anytime, responding to weather or plant health. Thanks to this technology, strawberries get the perfect drink every time. It's another example of how old-fashioned care and modern science work together in California's strawberry fields. Planting strawberries is, honestly, a careful job. Workers place each young plant by hand in the prepared beds, making sure the roots go deep but not too deep. Planting too high or too low can really hurt the plant's growth. Precision is key, and, experienced hands make all the difference. Spacing matters too. Strawberry plants need room to spread their leaves, but not so much that weeds take over. Typically, plants are spaced about a foot apart, with rows about 3 feet wide. This gives every plant enough sunlight and air to grow strong and produce lots of berries. After planting, the young strawberries get extra care. Farmers water them gently and sometimes use shade cloth to protect them from harsh sun. The plants are watched closely for the first few weeks. Any weak or sick plants are removed quickly to keep the whole field healthy. Early care makes a big difference. A well-planted, well-cared-for field sets the stage for a strong harvest months later. Every step now pays off when picking time comes. Bugs and diseases love strawberries almost as much as we do. But California farmers don't just spray chemicals everywhere. Instead, they use a mix of natural and safe methods called integrated pest management. This means fighting problems with brains, not just bottles. First, farmers plant trap crops or flowers nearby to attract good bugs, like ladybugs and lacewings, that eat the bad bugs. They also use special nets or row covers to keep pests out. Sometimes, they release helpful insects right into the fields to hunt down the troublemakers. If a disease shows up, farmers act fast. They remove sick plants before the problem spreads. They rotate crops and keep the fields clean to stop fungus and bacteria from building up. When necessary, they use safe, approved sprays in small, targeted areas instead of treating the whole field. Because of these smart strategies, California strawberries stay healthy with less impact on the environment. It's all about balance, protecting the plants, the workers, and the planet. Strawberry plants produce beautiful white flowers before they make fruit. Each flower needs to be pollinated to turn into a perfect berry. This is where bees come in. California farmers rely on honeybees and wild bees to do the job. Bees move from flower to flower, carrying pollen on their legs and bodies. As they search for nectar, they help fertilize each bloom. Good pollination means bigger, better-shaped strawberries. Without bees, many berries would be small or misshapen. Some farmers even bring in extra beehives during flowering time to boost pollination. They place the hives around the edges of the fields so bees can get to work right away. The buzzing hives are a sign that berry season is in full swing. Thanks to bees and careful timing, California strawberry plants grow full clusters of sweet, red fruit. Every berry is a tiny miracle made possible by a partnership between plant and pollinator. When strawberries are ready, the fields come alive with workers. Harvesting is done by hand, no machines here. Each berry is picked at its peak of ripeness. Workers move quickly but carefully, snapping berries from the stem without bruising them. Pickers carry baskets or trays, filling them with red, shiny fruit. It's tough work. The sun can be hot, and the days are long, but skill and experience make the job go smoothly. Workers check each berry before it goes in the tray. Only the best are picked for fresh markets. Harvesting happens every day during the season. Strawberries don't all ripen at once, so the same field is picked over and over. It takes a sharp eye and a gentle touch to get the job done right. This careful, hand-picked process is part of what makes California strawberries so flavorful. Every berry is chosen at just the right moment, keeping its taste and texture perfect for the trip ahead. Once picked, strawberries move fast. They're taken straight from the fields to nearby packing houses. Here, workers wash the berries and sort them by size and quality. Berries with any bruises, damage, or odd shapes are set aside for processing into jams or frozen products. Speed is key. Strawberries are very delicate and begin to lose flavor if they sit too long. Washing removes dirt and any pests. Sorting ensures that only the best berries make it to store shelves. Workers pack the berries into special containers that protect them during shipping. For fresh strawberries, the journey continues in refrigerated trucks. Cold temperatures keep the berries fresh and sweet on their way to markets and stores across the country. For berries meant for freezing or drying, the process is different. Flash freezing locks in flavor and nutrients, while gentle drying turns the fruit into sweet snacks without adding sugar or chemicals. Thanks to careful cleaning, sorting, and high-tech packing, California strawberries reach consumers as fresh and delicious as the day they were picked. Every step along the way matters, making sure the taste of summer is always just a bite away.